like to introduce you a new digital planner I have just created, and it is called the Enchanted Woods Journal. And basically, once you open your Goodnotes, you can import your digital planner into Goodnotes and it will place among all the other documents. So once you're ready, you can just click on the planner, and if you want a full screen, you can just double click it like that. Okay, and so this is the front page, and there's this little note here: make it an enchanting year with your year. You can actually rub this off and put whatever year. You can use this every year because this journal is undated. So if you do plan to use this journal, I do recommend you to make a copy before you start. So if you have any errors or you want to revert back to the original, you have a copy here. Okay, so let's go to the first page. Here's the front cover, and then I have little notes here you can write. You can actually rub this off. I wrote that myself. Okay, and then the next page, and you can write your name, this journal belongs to, and a little beautiful quote, and another one here as well. And if you want to go to the table of contents, you can swipe to the left, or you could just tap on the star, which brings you to the table of contents. So basically, wherever you are in different pages, you can easily hit back to the table of contents if you need to. If you want to have a quick overview and you want to go to the weekly, like you want to go to the weekly pages of October, you can do that, or you can go to the notes section. So basically, let me just go through everything, and then I'll explain how you use it. Okay, so here's the reflection planners. Okay, I just drop whatever goals that you want to have, like 5-bedroom home or 7-bedroom home, or just whatever goals that you have. And here's your yearly plan, and here's your yearly calendar. You can put birthdays or important events. And then this is your first month, so you can navigate by swiping to the left. Okay, or you can just navigate using the buttons. So January, February, March, August, September, October, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll just hit back to the beginning again. So each month you have a set of monthly calendar, and then 5 sets of weekly planner. And here are an example that I'll show you how I use my journal. This is like the bullet journal, but it's in a digital format version. It's like in between a journal and bullet journal. So instead of drawing lines over and over again, you can put stickers up and just plan it like that. And you have stickers as well, which I will show you how to use it later on. So basically, each month you'll have a monthly calendar with 5 sets of weekly planner. Okay, and you will have a set of note pages as well. Right. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll go right to the end of December. And if, let's say, you want to head over to the note pages in December, you can just, there's a little shortcut there you can, use. And then if you want to go back to the December page, you can go click on your December. And then if you want to go to the weekly pages for December, you can just click like this. Okay, and you can extract pages or delete pages if you want. You can easily do that by just tapping this little button down there. Hit the edit button, and then hit over to here. Oh, sorry, that's not what I want to do. I just want to, let's say you want to move pages about, or you just want to add a set of note pages. You can just hit the plus button and just hit the so basically duplicate this note pages. So basically you have 2 sets of note pages already. Okay, and then if you want to delete the pages, you can move to trash, or you could rearrange. Let's say you want to rearrange, or you want to see the overall pages that you have. Okay, so basically this is the note pages that you just added. You can just move to trash like that as well. Okay, so here are the stickers that comes with your digital planner. You can just go back. Okay, so let's say you're on December page, and if you want to head over to stickers, you can go either the stickers here, the stickers button, or you can, there's a stickers button at the table of contents as well. Access your stickers. Okay, so how to use the stickers? It's pretty easy. You can, like for smaller stickers, you can click the lasso tool and then just do like that, and then take a screenshot. Oops, doesn't work. Let's try again. We'll just make sure you circle it, and then take a screenshot, and then it looks pretty bad resolution, but you know, it's not too bad once you stick on the page that you want. And then you go back to January and go to the weekly pages. You can paste. Okay, and then once you scroll it down like that, it does look so bad. Okay, put a big note, and then you can write using whatever colors that you like. Have an awesome week. You can even use the stickers to do a to-do list, a mini to-do list, and to little notes, you know, to clean your room or whatever chores that you have, or whatever to-do list that you have. Okay, so it's pretty easy. And if you want to use the let me see, you have to go back again, go to the stickers section again, and I want to use the this one of the strips along here. Yeah. Screenshot. Try that again. You want to select properly. And then copy like that, and then go back to your page. Okay, and then you can, it just acts like a washi tape. If you want to decorate your planner, you can do so. Something like that. Or you can be like, you can something like this as well. You can do like, yep. Yep, you get my point. Okay, so you can do all sorts of things with my planner. Just go back. Okay, so basically if you want to write, of course you can just hit the pen, use whatever, you know, maybe go to the next one here. Digital stickers project. Okay, so if you want to browse more of my things, you can go either to the back to the table of contents. If you want to navigate to the month that you want, you can either go to, let's say I want to go to April and I want to go to April weekly planner. I can do that, you know. Okay, or if I want to go to September notes, I could do that. Alright, and then if I want to browse more stuff from my shop, if you want to browse more planners or more stickers or more things at my shop, you can do so. You can click here and then click yes, and it'll bring you to the to my website. And at the end, I'll just go right at the end where we'll put the stickers right at the end. Okay, and then here's the last page. As you can see, everything is all done. You have an empty mark and no more macaroons. And if you want to follow my latest works, you can follow me on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, or watch my free tutorials on YouTube channel. And if you want to get more digital planner like these, you can go to my store. Just click the link, click yes, and it goes to my store. Okay. At the moment, I only have one. At this time, I haven't uploaded this planner yet, but I will right now. So I will be adding another 2 more. So just watch the space. More planners are in the making. I think that's about it. So remember, if you like this digital planner, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit the bell button so you get more notifications of new tutorials or new products in my store. And if you like a copy for yourself, you can head over to the link in the description below to get a copy for yourself or as a gift for Christmas to a family member or a loved one who will benefit from this digital planner. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Bye now.